Let's learn together.
How to apply sketch chamfer. Okay, at the chamfer parameter board, we have the two type of chamfer, which is angle and distance or distance and distance. Okay, for the first example, I choose angle and distance. Okay, for this type, you can set the distance and the angle of the chamfer. Okay, for the example, I set the angle is 40 degree. Okay, and then click the corner of the rectangle. Okay, you can see the angle of the chamfer is 40 degree and the distance is 0.8. Okay, I set the distance of the chamfer is 0.5 inch, and then click the corner of the rectangle. Okay, this is the example. Okay. Okay, we go through to the distance and distance of the chamfer. For this distance and distance, you can set two distance of the chamfer. Okay, for the example, okay, click the corner of the rectangle. Okay, you can see this. We have two distance of the chamfer, which is 0.8 and 0.5. Okay, this is an example when I set the distance is 0.3 and 0.5. Okay, also you can equal the distance of the chamfer. Okay, let's say I set 0.5 and then click the corner of the rectangle. Okay, then I set 0.3 of the chamfer. Okay, done. Okay, that's all for my video tutorial about how to apply sketch chamfer. Thank you.